Hey guys, let's go over the trade for January 26th. We see right here, gold was pumping like crazy. Then we got the break right here. Okay, you see the break of the trend line. And then I got in actually quite early. I got in there. Then they came up for a retest. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is on the 15-minute chart, and I post all these things in my Telegram group so you can follow along before I enter them. And you see there was a drop right here, and I got suckered in. Okay, so I was in the trade, but I sometimes it just drops so hard. But go after retest. If you go on the 1-minute chart, you can see there's a massive retest right here. It came all the way up here. Okay. Didn't get stopped out. I mean, get stopped out would have been right here. But anyways, you see where we got, and then wrote it down here. Now I got out here at 1R. I could have stayed longer, and if you see, it came down all the way down here. But because gold is so hot right now, I was very careful. I was like, you know what? When you short gold now, you just gotta be careful. It's more challenging to get a 2-to-1. Risk rewards. Anyways, I shorted that one, and then you saw, it came down all the way here, so it would have been an awesome trade, and then it started pumping again, which now is like 5,100. So anyways, it went well, good trade, and if you're curious about this type of trading, go to my Telegram channel. It's free. It's on my website. You can see all the courses and everything I have there. But anyways, it's the break of the trend line, retest. It would have been better to get in there. And then I could have maybe even done a 2R2. So anyways, cool. If you got any questions, let me know. Let's look at the bot trading and how we're doing there. All right, so let's take a look at this. Let me go back to the 26th because this was the 29th. So we got to see the results for that. I made this video a little bit later. Let's go 26, $1,978. I'm telling you, it's amazing the results we're getting. Okay, so if you're interested in bot trading, you just wake up and you look at the results every day and you're like, oh yeah, I'm making a ton of money. This one has now made in total, let's go to the total amount. Let's go, we started this in mid October. Let's go back and see what we got now. Made 18,499. Okay, that's a lot of money. Okay, that's very, very good. Very, very high risk, but you double the account, take out your principal, and move on. Okay, so we're balanced 33K right now. Profit 18,000, and we put in 16 or 15 because there's a bonus you get when you put in that amount of money. So, all right, thank you so much for watching. If you got any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. All right, bye.